How to manage your videos quality on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your videos quality. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on media. And here you have videos quality. Manage your default videos quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following option. Now you have those options, you can fix or manage your videos quality. For example, data saver, use up to less data by recording video quality, or on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and turn on those sound in the app update, videos and photos settings, 3D photo motion link. You can here manage everything on your videos quality. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.